Guys, 2 bedroom naman tayo dito sa Uptown BGC. Tara!
So sa entrance guys, we have bar type kitchen, 4-burner cooktop, range hood, oven, and 2-door fridge. So here is the maid's room with own toilet and bath. So let's go to the common area. So here is the dining and living area, of course with own split type aircon and balcony na kasya ang table and chairs. Maganda to sa living area guys para makapasok yung natural light. So ngayon, punta naman tayo guys sa first bedroom. Of course, may sarili din tong split type aircon. Maluwag siya, kasya ang queen size bed. Meron na din siyang sariling walk-in closet with organizer. Next naman dito guys is yung common toilet and bath. So kumpleto na siya with sanitary fittings and floor to ceiling na ceramic tiles. So dito naman guys is yung master's bedroom. May sariling split type aircon and mas malaki ang walk-in closet na naka-glass sliding door. So corner unit to guys and may sarili tong master's toilet and bath. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng investment or personal use na unit dito mismo sa BGC, may bago tayong pre-selling project na available for no down payment, 0% interest. So message nyo lang ako guys. Bye!